Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the cosine law. So this will be 2.3. If you're looking for a blank copy of this sheet, you're going to find it in the content area of the LMS, unless you were here in class, in which case there's a copy in your notebook if you took one. Okay, so let's take a look what we have here. There's 6 forms of the cosine law, and a cosine law can be used when you have a triangle that's not a right triangle. Now the truth is it can be used in right triangles as well, but its true power is the fact that it can be used in any type of triangle. So we have a triangle A, B, and C, therefore that's going to make this side A, side B, side C. And the pattern is going to be, if I want a side, so these ones are for finding sides, for finding a side. And these ones are for finding an angle. It looks like that there's 6 different formulas. I'm going to try to teach it to you so that we only have to remember one pattern, and that should make life a little bit easier for us. So if there's a side that you want, you're going to find the square of the other 2 sides, subtract 2, the other 2 sides, cosine the angle opposite the side you want. And we're going to see that in a minute once again. So if we look at B, let's say I wanted to find B. So it would be the square of this side and the square of this side. Those are the other 2 sides. Subtract 2, the other 2 sides again, A and C, cosine the angle opposite the side that I want, which is B. Let's say I wanted C. So C squared is going to equal the other 2 side squareds, A squared plus B squared, minus 2, A times B, cos the angle C. So that's a pattern I'm going to want to remember, not so much all the A's, B's, and C's, but that pattern. Over here for the angles, if I want angle A, then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the other 2 sides, so B squared plus C squared, subtract the side opposite it, over top of 2 times the other 2 sides. Once again, let's say I'm after angle B, so it will be A squared plus C squared, A squared plus C squared, subtract the angle or the side opposite it, which is B squared, over top of 2 times AC. We can use the cosine to solve a triangle when we are given, so you're going to be given the following things to use the cosine law, and the measure of 2 sides and the contained angle. So let's just pick 2 sides, let's say C and C and B. The contained angle will be the angle that's between those 2 sides, so that will be the contained angle. We can also use this cosine law when you're given the measure of 3 sides and no angle. So the cosine law will work for that as well.